does the sandwich you ate for lunch become the energy to think, the proteins to build muscle, or the code that runs your cells? It's not magic, it's biochemistry, the elegant molecular language of life. At its heart are two key players. First, carbon. Think of it as the ultimate Lego brick. With 4 connection points, it can build endlessly complex chains, rings, and scaffolds, creating the architecture for every molecule that makes you, you. The second is water, the stage for this entire performance. Its polarity makes it the perfect solvent, allowing these carbon-based molecules to dissolve, meet, and react. From these basics, life constructs its big 4 macromolecules. Carbohydrates are your fast fuel, the glucose powering your brain right now, and the structural frame of plants. Lipids are your long-term energy vaults, like fats and oils, and they also form the crucial membranes of every single cell. Then come the proteins, the true molecular machines. Built from just 20 types of amino acids, their specific 3D shape dictates their job, whether it's digesting food or fighting off viruses. A change in shape means a loss of function, which is why a high fever can be so dangerous. Finally, there are the nucleic acids. DNA is the cell's permanent hard drive, holding the master blueprint for everything. RNA is the working copy, carrying those instructions to the cellular factories to build the proteins. These molecules are in a constant dynamic dance. Your body breaks down the polymers in your food and reassembles them into what it needs. This intricate system of building, breaking, and rebuilding is what defines life. Understanding this molecular choreography is the key to unlocking the secrets of genetics, health, and disease.